Again. Two Baba they hate me, and they come by the blood. Who be you? Hold on there. You know how many years you crack joke for two Baba to come take your name sing? If you know the 23 years I did this work. I started work for one company and for BMD now. But Nigerian women, no, love is she said. Two Baba announced say don't leave Annie. When I say I should have left, but not today. Which day will I agree for on our WhatsApp? Like for our WhatsApp group, which day they say husband supposed to leave wife? Because I get one of my guys who won't leave, I don't want to miss calendar. When they really the Chris say should have left, but not today, not like You get how they tell the time she will say she be a show. This day when I see for news, they don't go read all those show for Farm City. They say one of them get DPO infection. Who knows say I give DPO the disease make up treater. And they miss you now. And see, this period, if Nigerian get check on you, my brother, Nigeria nothing they work the way they explain them. This country now the only country they say the land is green, but everywhere red. Everybody had the chook. Nothing works the way they explain it. Do you know that abroad, if you see somebody collapse, if you go beside the person who collapse, you go see what he take when they collapse. The name of the substance now knock off. Knock off, don't knock off. One of my guys don't find sleep. 6 days, no fit sleep. He begin ask, what can I take to sleep? They recommend different things. Somebody say, make he drink plenty water. The guy drink water, nothing work. They say, okay, so you have to be exercising. He exercise. They recommend Octalidon. He drink up, nothing. This guy try everything. Nothing work until somebody can recommend Jehovah's Witness book, Awake. As the guy read Awake, he enter coma.
Never you believe the promises of a naked man. Otherwise you will be lambo and you will not be lambo. Not every guy in the chop run. Two-Face not chop for Lagos. Now I go chop the nigga. As he chop the nigga, I want to see your mama declare I'm missing. Since 1 week I have not seen my son. I think I will not even crazy. They put beat for it. I know say you will never know the true intention of a man until he can't achieve the dream. Two-Face was always coming to Benin to perform. I call you say, wow, Two-Face they really show Benin people love. Now let I call say Two-Face they come make love. The last time you my brother, nothing sweet illiterate. Please tell people where go school not make amo. They can happy. See, I tell them they not go school now for Canada. I tell you that. M.O.P. Anybody not telling you other pressure say you must marry. Abraham, my life too hard. The day they born you as a man, war don't start. No, you tell me say na war. After 7 days of cut your prick. That you will start circumcision. Feel the pain, baby. Marriage now scam. And you know, no matter how human being is, whether poor or rich, they love attention. Yeah. I think just day one day, they do Zoom call. With clients, with the try price, they want to make me brand ambassador. Then they say 30 million. I say make it 35 million for my room. My wife, they call me, honey, come, please, it's important. I did Zoom call, 30 million last. Please come, it's an emergency. Zoom call. She can't use one word. Come, please. I don't want to do what I will regret. Now say this is serious. So as I go her room, now she bring out her phone. Say, only check these 2 skirts. Should I buy the yellow one or the red one? For my mind, let me be your for me with your collapse. Let's end it all. All of them like it. And I think most ladies are hypocrites. That's the truth. Relationship will break in the third way. Say, I don't blame you. I see my nakedness. Now when you see a graphics designer. But not true now. Not true. Now, yeah, that's when I go here fast. Some girls will feel like saying they don't know your vision. Like, why would I bring a girl to a club? You don't spend 4 million. You follow me to my house. You come here my big polo. There's nothing inside. And they drive in the fruit of my label because the casino stop. What are you trying to do? I want to see ballot boss. Hypocrites! Putting them under pressure. Now you're going to see when made a drag. Bro, they will never be started by 2 a.m. Hotel when I Lord, I see one girl. Mama, chief, the best small girl. Baby, you cannot say no at this point. Put me in your father's shoe. Nowhere to go. Farm City have closed. The girl called the tell her useless thing. Sorry if I do this now. And my hair will scatter. I see Shifu. Don't worry, I will plait your hair. Shifu, mommy, when you let her dress, you walk. When you let this one Shifu now? The one I hate. Some girls, the one that make you feel like they're going to give you guilty conscience. Casino, stop this. I have so much respect for you. Disrespect me, I'm not saying. Man, when you pick stand, I call you one call. Emotional blackmail. The one I hate. MC Casino. You are like a brother to me. I'm the last one. My man not don't get. Scammers everywhere. I know what I don't like. The hypocrisy there for men, though. You carry your sachi, go wash ball. You see they complain, say the referee, they cheat. Referee, when you support the tell, expert the call. I see you, my colleague. I've heard that shamu. But if you must carry yearly techniques, as you go club, around 12, not to 7 there, then they there. I say, 500,000. I know they argue. As we hear the dance, after saying that the shamu be this, baby, so how much is it? We say 500,000. Dance, come on. Now don't argue. Around, share at 12, around 2. Go back, the money go reduce. So, baby, how much is it? You hear the game. Well, I love your consistency. You left and came back. I will do 200K. 200K? Dance, come on. Now you're around 4. So, baby, I don't want to get on the best. Bros, carry me if you carry me. I'll be pacific. I'm better born me. You guys are like me for us. No answer. Like it's an shower work. And I say how much? Because they were 50,000 naira will be fine. 50,000. That's come on. No need for each other. Around 5:30. Call me again. So baby, now this one is done. So baby, how much? That and the girl is very emotional. Bro, smart tell you. Nobody knows tomorrow. Shout out today. If you be president tomorrow. Leave on to your talk. So say how much? Because say where? Just 20,000 naira now. How fine? 20,000? That's come on! I don't see 30. Everybody don't go. Now, PRO, the pop club. So, baby, how much for a night? You get what I say? All the night, they don't come. So, how much for giving them? No wahala. And I don't really need money again. Carry me go your house. Just give me money and egg man, chop man, crab. You know me and egg? That's the
M.O.P. Laughing Star.